the GiantMouse Ace Grand, St. Nick's exclusive. This is the production version of the GM5. Red G10 black stonewash blade of Vandis 4E Super Clean. It's a Bohler steel equivalent to CPM 4V. Black deep carry wire clip, and I'm pretty sure the Lynch clips fit on here, the medium wire clip replacements. Titanium backspacer. It does have, if you can see that in there, inset liners. It is on bearings and it is a liner lock. So no flipper, really clean. I haven't bought one of the GiantMouse yet, or the GiantMouse regulars or the Ace. See the bearings down in there. I do have knives from Lion Steel, Viper. I'm pretty sure it's made by Viper. I'm not sure which Italian OEM is doing it for them. So I didn't even know this was dropping. I just got lucky. I was on their site a couple days beforehand looking for something else, and I saw it. Oh, it's a PVD stonewash. I didn't know if it was DLC or PVD. $225. There was about 375 knives available. They lasted a few hours. I think 2 or 3 hours. 4.75 ounces. Does show made in Italy. A lot of people are saying that a lot of their knives are made in by Riet now. That is true, but I definitely know this one's still made in Italy. The company, the designers are Jen Zanzo and Jesper Voxney. I think that's how you say it. Talks about the Vandis 4E Super Clean, and now it's the EDC friendly version of the GM5. Red G10 handle, titanium backspacer. It's a nice knife. I just looked at it pretty quick here. This was just one of those purchases that I decided to get. I've been meaning to try one of their knives. I just haven't gotten it yet. It is rounded, if you can see that. It's contoured, the G10, sculpted. You can flick it out. I've read a couple threads on this once I ordered it on the original drops, and guys were saying that the detent was getting harder, stiffer as you broke it in. Maybe the hole was seating. I'm not so sure about that, but you can shake it out. It's not super easy to do. Another thing, if you do try to grab it here, it's really tough. That's where my hand naturally wants to go, so I just have to get used to indexing it. As soon as you come up here, it's easy. But there are no cutouts. I don't see an issue with that. You can see there's no real cutout, to access it. So you just got to pinch your finger down inside here. A few times that I have opened it, I've tried to go right here, which isn't going to work. So, it does go past the detent ball, so seems to be well designed. These guys know what they're doing. I've always liked, I have some Vox, both of them. The Viper, the Vox design, I just like his blade shapes. They all look very similar. I think I have the Fortis carbon fiber and titanium. It looks similar to this full height saber grind. It's just a nice knife. I'm glad I got it. This is to the ProTech TR3, and this is to the, I haven't shown this one on camera. This is the Jester that dropped from St. Nick's here recently. They've been killing it. This is going to be my keychain knife. Tiny little thing. So the Ace Grand and Red G10 Vandis 4E Super Clean. Exclusive. Hope everybody's doing good.